Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we are going to take up Ecuador Math Olympiad challenge from system of equations. We have to evaluate the expression ax power 5 plus by power 5 if equations are given ax plus by equal to 3, ax square plus by square is equal to 7, ax cube plus by cube equal to 16, and last equation ax power 4 plus by power 4 42. And a, b, x, y are real numbers. So let's get started by writing equation numbers first, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you will see what is required, ax power 5 plus by power 5. If I will multiply our equation number 4 with x, this term with x and this term with y. So it would be ax power 5 plus by power 5. So I am going to multiply equation 4 with x plus y. See what will happen. So I will be writing here x plus y times LHS of 4, ax power 4 plus by power 4 equal to 42 times x plus y. Let's multiply. So x multiply with ax power 4. I will write ax power 5. Y multiply with by power 4. I will write by power 5. Done. Now cross multiplication x with by power 4. So I can write bxy power 4 and y with ax power 4. So I can write a times x power 4 y plus b times x y power 4 equal to 42 times x plus y. Now you can see from the second two terms, if I will take xy common, let me write here ax power 5 plus by power 5 as it is. Now xy is common. So I can write in the bracket ax cube plus by cube. And right hand side is 42 times x plus y. Now if you will see our equation number 3, then ax cube plus by cube is 16 given. So here we can write it is 16. So this equation will convert into ax power 5 plus by power 5 plus 16xy equal to 42 times x plus y. But problem is we do not know xy and x plus y. Let me call this equation as equation number 5. So we have to find out xy and x plus y value. So what I will do, I will multiply equation 2 and then with equation 3 I will multiply with x plus y. So let me write here equation 2 into x plus y. See what will come out. X plus y times, this is equation 2. Ax square plus by square equal to 7 times x plus y. Let's multiply. Ax cube plus by cube. X with by square, so I will be writing bxy square. Y with ax square, then I will be writing ax square. Y equal to 7 times x plus y. Now xy is again common. I will take xy out. So ax cube plus by cube unchanged. Then xy is common. So I will be having ax plus by in the bracket. Right hand side 7 times x plus y. Now you can see our equation number 1. I will put here 3. So this equation will be ax cube plus by cube, which is our equation number 3 also. So I can put here directly 16. Better is to put in a single step. Here I will be putting 16. Here I will be putting 3. So finally this equation is 16 plus 3xy equal to 7 times x plus y. This is our equation number 6. Now one more equation is required in the same pattern, xy and x plus y unknowns. So let me multiply equation 3 with x plus y. So I will write here equation 3 times x plus y. Okay, I will write here x plus y times ax cube plus by cube. Right hand side is 16 times x plus y. Let's multiply ax power 4 plus by power 4 with these two multiplications. Done. Now cross multiplication. So I will be having ax cube y, then I will be having by cube x. Right hand side is 16 times x plus y. Now ax power 4 plus by power 4. You can see it is our equation number 4. So straight away here I can put 42. Okay. Plus from these two terms xy is common. So I will write xy in bracket. What is left? Ax square plus by square, which is our equation number 2. So in next step we can write this value as 7. So equation will become 42 plus 7xy equal to 16 times x plus y. And this equation I will call equation number 7. Now I will substitute xy equal to, let me write here, xy equal to suppose m and x plus y equal to n. Then solution will be easier to solve this system of equation number 6 and 7. So let me write here equation 6 first. Equation 6 was 16 plus 3xy equal to 7 times x plus y. So let us consider xym, as I said earlier, x plus y equal to n. So I can frame equation as 16 plus 3m equal to 7n. Now equation number 7, which was 42 plus 7xy equal to 16x plus y. Let's apply our substitution. 42 plus 7m equal to 16n. So we have two equations, linear equations, and we have to solve easily. So substitution elimination methods are there. Let me write here 16 plus 3m equal to 7n and 42 plus 7m equal to 16n. Now I want to cancel m. So I will multiply this equation with 7, this equation with 3. So that a term will be same 21m. So let's multiply 16 times 7. So I can write here 112 plus 7 times 3 21m, 7 times 7 49n. Done. 42 times 3 126 plus 7 times 3 21m equal to 16 times 3, so 48n. Now take away second equation. From the first one we'll get our n value. This will be n left. Here it would be minus 14. So final result is n is equal to minus 14. And what was n? N was x plus y. Now let's find out m. So I can put in this equation. So let me write this equation. 16 plus 3m equal to 7n. 16 plus 3m equal to minus 14 times 7, so minus 98. So 3m equal to minus 19 minus 98 minus 16. So it will be minus 114. Now once we will divide 114 with 3, we'll have m. So value of m is minus 38. Now you know m was our substitution, xy it is. So we know both the values. Xy equal to 14, here it is. This is x plus y equal to 14. Now this value xy equal to m equal to minus 38. Now both values are known. Now I will put both the values in equation 5. So let me write here xy equal to minus 38, x plus y equal to minus 14, and our equation number 5. Equation 5 was ax power 5 plus by power 5 plus 16xy equal to 42 times x plus y. Put all the values which we know, xy and x plus y here. We will be having our required expression ax power 5 plus by power 5 plus 16 times minus 38 equal to 42 times minus 14. So 42 times minus 14 is minus 588, and this value is negative 608 it would be, and our expression ax power 5 plus by power 5. Add both sides 608. So we will get our answer ax power 5 plus by power 5. It would be 608 minus 588, which is equal to 20. So expression value is ax power 5 plus by power 5 equal to 20. This is how we can solve our system of equation for a required expression. I hope this video will be meaningful to you. Do not forget friends to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself.